So, in the story of the Gingerbread Man, he had to ride on the fox's back to get across the river. Instead, we're going to try to make a boat for him. He's got 2 pieces of tinfoil to try it out. There's many different ways to make a boat. If we just try this way first, if I just put this in here and put my Gingerbread Man on. It works pretty good. He's floating on top. Let's try making it a little curved on the side so he doesn't fall out. Crinkle the sides up. This is like a canoe. The other one was kind of like a raft. The end's pointy. There we go. Alright. And make your boat however you want. Oh, it fell out. Let's see if it works. There he is. He's floating around in the boat. Now if the water gets in the boat, uh-oh, my boat sink. Can change it. I have holes in the side. Maybe if I fold the sides like this, the water won't get in. And then the Gingerbread Man can make it across the river. This is just the way I'm making my boat. You can make it any way you want to. Alright, Mr. Gingerbread Man. Here he goes across the river. Another piece of tinfoil and make a different kind of boat. We made a canoe, a flat raft. You make it a different kind of boat. If I crumple it up like this, I wonder if this would work. Just try lots of different ways to make a boat for the Gingerbread Man. Oh, that worked too. There it goes. It's floating in the water.